got about 3 hours or so before our first pupils come in, and in that time we need to transform this communal space into a fully fledged science centre.
Cambridge Science Centre on the Road is the mobile version of the Cambridge Science Centre. So we take 8 exhibit tables or 16 exhibits out on the road and set up in a local school, church, public place, and basically transform it into a version of the Cambridge Science Centre.
This has really impressed me in terms of the amount of thinking, the amount of organisation, and just the general effort that's gone into that. It's brilliant.
I think on the road is critical, and science communication, science education is absolutely critical to living in the modern world.
The idea of what we're doing is to complement what they're doing in school, but provide them with a slightly different way of exploring the science. So every exhibit that we bring is hands-on, so the kids can get involved and explore and investigate, whilst learning a little bit about science in a much more fun and interactive way.
I wasn't expecting an exhibition like this.
Normally we just sit down
and do an activity.
The teacher just talks about it and then you find it a bit boring.
And I expected it to be like really boring and no offense. I didn't expect it to be fun.
You learn and you have fun. So.
There was like these different instructions and sometimes it was hard and challenging.
You should definitely come here.
It was very educational.
It's not what you think.
Fun
it's like
school.
really fun.
You can find out stuff about planets and gravity and stuff like that.
Trying to make a bridge.
How to use a UV light.
My favourite was the harp.
What? It's like plastic, do it. Weird, isn't it? It looks like plastic, but it looks like jellyfish.
It makes you think that you don't know everything. And the presentation was good as well because it also looked cool because it was all in the dark.
So you've got a cold drink there, haven't you? And what happens is you end up with a cold moustache. See? I'm just going to pour the boiling water into the tray. Okay, that's because it's an infrared LED.
But if we put too much tape on it, it won't fly very well, it won't be very aerodynamic. And what do you notice as they're getting closer and closer? They get faster, right, so why might they get faster nearer the middle? Because of the gravity.
Is in your ears. That's my first time to do it and it's made me very happy.
Can you see what's written on the screen? For you, sir. It's now upside down.
1, go! Yes! It's brilliant, man.
I like the gravity machine.
If you put them all together, what is the experience?
Excellent.
The greatest thing about seeing the children engage with the exhibits here is that you get a lot of that wow factor. So there are things that the children will do with the exhibits that really surprises them and they didn't know about before. And for me, it's about igniting that spark in them that makes them want to go and find out a little bit more about what the science means and how it does apply to their everyday lives, and hopefully perhaps set them on a path to think about science as a career.
If you can't come to us, we'll come to you. And it doesn't matter how small or remote your community is, we can come, we can set up, and for just 1 week, it's the Your Village Science Centre. It's not the Cambridge Science Centre, it's your local street science centre.
Gentlemen, we are in a moment. I believe you're going to sit, so we're going to do that very quietly.
Science is actually not boring, but it's really fun.
It's just fun.